Here's how you do a single leg dumbbell Romanian deadlift. You're gonna set up balancing on one leg. We're gonna keep a soft bend in that knee. We hinge in that standing leg. The back leg is gonna kick back as the chest comes forward. It's all one unit as it hinges forward. Stand back up. We wanna think about that back toe facing the ground the whole time to help keep our hips square so we don't open up that hip and then fall. I like to also think about a tripod foot in my standing leg. I think heel, big toe, pinky toe. Keep your eyes straight forward in the same spot the entire time. That's gonna help you keep your balance as well. Common mistakes are reaching too far down with the dumbbells and then rounding that spine or opening up that top hip out to the sides.